Hi there. In this video, I'm gonna share with you a very powerful technique to manifest your goals and desires. And it's gonna be really magical. So if you have been thinking about manifesting a certain goal in your life, so this is the technique which gonna really benefit you. And it is called 555 technique. So first I'm going to explain you what this technique is all about, and then we are going to go through the steps which you need to be following it in order to fulfill your dreams and desires. So 555 technique is basically, it's like writing down your goals or your desires 55 times for 5 days in a row. So every day you would be writing down your goal 55 times. Now, there are certain rules to that, and I'm going to take you through these rules. And make sure you follow these rules because it is important to really follow these rules in a way I'm explaining. Because when you are writing your desires, you are actually really feeding your subconscious mind with the desire and goals you have in your mind. So, number one rule of this is make sure your goal or desire, whatever you have in your mind, it is positive and it is written in a positive language. Number two, make sure you write it in an affirmative language. Affirmative language is like kind of affirmations where you say you write down your goals in the present tense as if you have already achieved your goal. And number three is make sure your goal or desire, what you have written is written in a very short and in a very specific way. So don't just write in a very generic form. So whatever your goal is exactly, whether you are manifesting a relationship or a home in your life, or you are manifesting kids in your life, so exactly you need to uh, write down in a grateful way, expressing your gratitude for that. So I am grateful, I'm grateful, i am I'm living in this house on, you can mention the date as well. So basically, when you're writing in present, then make sure that you can mention date, and you can mention the really details of your whatever your goals and desires are. For example, if you are manifesting a baby, so you can also say that like today I'm really grateful for having this baby. That's what I'm saying. Like, make sure you write down your goals in a positive way. Number two, it should be very specific. And number three, make sure you are writing it as a as an affirmation. And finally, number fourth is write down the same goal 55 times, 5 days in a row. So don't just pick like 5 6 different goals, and you don't have to write one goal, then second goal, then third goal. Just write one goal 55 times, because it is really about making that impact for that goal. And once that is fulfilled, you can, after 5 days, you can write down your next goal. Now, it might or might not happen that the goal will be manifested in 5 days. But what you need to be focusing on is your thankfulness, your gratitude towards your goal. So if you don't fall into this feeling that any other feeling than being thankful, so just follow this, and this is a powerful technique, because you really work on your some subconscious mind on this. And people have got amazing results with this technique. So do work on it and do let me know that how you did that and what dreams and goals you have manifested in your life. And I really wish and pray for you all that you do achieve your goals. Bye for now.